Hey, boys and girls, we are going to try something new today. So, what I'm going to challenge you all to do is read this story, and I'll include the link that you can copy and paste to find this story in your browser. So, you just copy this and you'll be able to see this story. And I want you to read the story, and then after you're finished, you can click on the mouse and there's a little surprise for you. I don't want to spoil it, but you can click on the mouse and something will happen. Okay? So I want you to read this fable, read The Lion and the Mouse. And I want you to be thinking while you read, look for those characteristics of fables. So look for the characters, look for what they are acting like. Think about what the lesson could be. And when you get to the end, I said sometimes that fables tell you the moral or the lesson at the end, and this one does do that for you. When you're finished reading it, I am going to include a link for you all to answer some questions on Google Forms, okay? So you will type your name and answer these questions. If you need to go back into the story to find those answers, I want you to do that, okay? And then down at the end, there are two questions that you have to type out, okay? And that is, who are the main characters in this story and where is the setting in the story? So I want a complete sentence, okay? Remember, we don't start a sentence with because, we start with who or what we're talking about and make sure it's a complete thought. So read it back to yourself, make sure that it makes sense. There is a question that says, at the end of the story, the moral says, kindness is never wasted. What is another way to say this moral from this story? And then you'll read the answer choices, okay? I want you all to try to do this on your own, okay? I don't want to know what other people know. I want to know what you know, right? So try to answer the questions. You can do this anytime, but I will be looking at your responses, and it'll tell you when you're finished what your score was. So thank you all, and I hope that we can try this. If this goes well and it works out, then we can do this more, and I can send you your practice questions and things on here. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Let's see if this works today. I wanted to give you all the chance to read this on your own and practice doing this on your own. Okay? Thank you, boys and girls. Good luck.